KK, get out the way.
Oh!
KK, leave.
No way. Why are you so mean?
Why am I calling her?
For those of you watching this, there's a bird attacking us. We're under attack by a bird.
Hi.
This thing ain't playing either. This is its territory. There it is.
Where'd you go?
He was getting whacked, dude. He
No
was getting
way. These things are aggressive, bro.
Dude,
I feel like I'm in that horror movie, Birds.
he was getting whacked if he came.
There he is. There he is.
He got friends.
Oh, I'm getting out of here. This is lethal.
We're getting attacked by birds.
Oh my god.
That's fine. You just want to
go.
They're over there. There he is.
Dude, he for real does not want.
It must be have a nest or something, bro. It's trying to corner us now.
Oh god, there's like 4 of them now.
Dude. I'm getting out of here.
There's a nest up there. There's a nest up there.
Where?
Get out of here.
That's a wasp. Oh, that is a bird's nest.
Alright.
That's why.
That was brutal.